A very warm day everyone. Welcome to virtual learning classes of SLVEM School Jagapat Nagaram, and this is your Valley dealing with the subject English. So children, we entered to our new fresh term 3. So in our term 3 we have our first poem is Freedom of a Bird. Freedom means freeness, no worries, no hurries of a bird. A bird can fly easily and freely on the sky, right? That's a great God's gift, right? A bird can fly on the sky. Is it possible with human beings to fly on the sky? No, we didn't. Yes, so really, bird has enough freedom to fly on the sky. Yes, if we put that bird on cage, then it's problematic. Then the bird didn't have any freedom. Okay, now we will go with our poem. The first one is I feel I have no rights because I am caged for days and nights. Here, a bird is talking with us, right? So, I feel I have no rights. Here, the bird is talking to that. What's the bird is feeling? The bird is feeling that it has no rights. That means no freedom. Next, because I'm caged for days and nights, the bird is put on this cage so that it doesn't have any freedom. For many days and many nights, the bird is still on the cage. I wish I too could go around. What was the wish of the bird? The bird's wish aim is to go out and turn around on the entire sky. But my tiny cage is my ground. But there is no freedom to the bird. Only the place where bird has to move is only the small case. Okay, next. So I prayed and prayed with all my might. So the bird prayed God and prayed. All the times the bird supposed to pray the God with all my might. That means with full strength and concentration, the bird is trying to pray the God, please help me. I just want to come out of from this cage. I want to round on the sky. Just like that, the bird is trying the God whom he had made for me, and that loving little angel, that angel set me free. Here in the poem, look at the picture. Here we have a girl, a lovely angel. So finally, the loving little angel opens the door of the cage. So the bird went out. Now finally, the bird is a free bird. So the bird gets its freedom. Yes. I wish for every captured bird, God sends an angel just like the one He sent for me. And the bird is saying, I wish in the world, in the entire world, so many birds are on the cage. I wish, I am praying the God that for every bird, there is a beautiful angel who helps the birds and opens the cage door. Just like me, how this girl opened the case and give me a freedom. Just like this, there is one more angel who comes and sets the free to other birds. And then one day, all birds will be free. When all the cages are opened, what happens? The birds get their freedom and the birds will be free. Yes, this is a small and beautiful poem. And this poem was explained by Nasheta Jahra. Nasheta Jahra, a 5th class student. Yes. So now we will go to the drama part. Yes, here in our page number 6 we have some grammar topics regarding the poem. Complete these sentences about the poem. Regarding to the poem, the sentences are given. The cage bird felt it was not free and had no rights because it was forced to live in a cage. Yes, there is no freedom to the bird with some forced, some person's interest. The bird is placed on the cage. The bird doesn't have any freedom. It whispered and prayed. The bird whispered and prayed the God that it could fly out of the cage and be free. The bird every day, it's play. It is trying to pray the God that I just want to come out from the cage and I want some freedom. Next one. Its prayers were answered when God sent a little angel who set her free. The God listened all the prayers, all the beautiful prayers of the bird, and he sent a little angel finally. So finally, the little angel opened the door of the cage. Now the bird is a free one. Next one. Here is the question and answers are already given on the notes. And next is rhyming words. Not rhyming words. Write a word that comes to your mind when you read each of these words. Compare your words with your partners. Here we have some words in broad letters, capital letters. While listening, while reading those words, which words we can get in our mind? Those words we have to write here. Free, bird, pray, God, angel, heaven, case, captivity, wish, star, day, bright, night, moon, rights, justice. Those are the words we get in our mind. Okay, children, this is the end of the session. Thank you for watching my video. And here we have one more fun time. I will provide these matter on notes. Okay, ma? Thank you for watching the video. Thank you, everyone.